Lisa, so just to start, how would you define financial planning?
Well, I think that's a very good starting point, Henry. I think those, to me, are the two major elements: wealth creation and wealth protection. And wealth creation, I think, if I look at generally the perception out there, many people want to do wealth creation by winning the lotto or gambling and winning a big sum of money or inheriting a big sum of money. And I think wealth creation really takes time and discipline and commitment. So I look forward to talking about that. But then the other important element of the financial plan is, how do I protect myself and my dependents and my financial position against any unforeseen risks? And I think that's a very good starting place to start the conversation. That side of the financial plan would look at, what if a breadwinner passes away or becomes disabled and can't generate an income anymore? Or what if there's a medical expense or a house burns down or a car gets stolen? So to look at those risks, and different people are worried about different risks, and different people have higher risks than others. So I think that's a very important starting point of the conversation, to say, okay, let's look at the risks that I am concerned about, the risks that I should be concerned about as a planner. And then let's see in my plan, how do we address those risks? So I think if I look at the framework on the highest level, it's wealth creation and wealth protection. And then if we drill down on the wealth protection side, I think it's important to understand what could sit under that and what would sit under that for a specific client. So that would be my nutshell summary.